guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel where we do plant stuff. We try to learn about plants, we hang out with plants, and sometimes we try to garden. And today we're going to be potting up. I have a bunch of snake plants that I want to pot up into one pot so that I can reuse this pot for some other plants. So yeah, I'm going to zoom you in, and that's what we're going to do. It's going to be a chilled, relaxed plant video. Come on and hang out. Alrighty. Hey guys, how's it going? We got our dirt under our nails, you know, very, very attractive. So this is like the final result. I think, I'll try to move it. I think that looks really cool. And I'm excited for it to all grow in. So we have the regular Dracaena snake plant. I guess like, is it the black coral? I don't know what it's called, but it's just the regular one. We have the ones with the variegated outsides. And then we have one little piece of moonshine. Yeah, so hopefully this doesn't kill all of them. I don't think it will. I tend to, as you can see, this guy's like really thirsty. I tend to underwater everything. So this has a little bit more soil. Yeah, so I can continue to ignore it and it won't dry out as much, hopefully. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks really cute and cool. And I can't wait to get like a tray for it underneath and like maybe a rolling cart thing. I kind of have one for this guy. I'm going to get the same setup. But until then, she will remain in this bucket so we don't make a mess. And yeah, this is what we did. So stay tuned to see what I'm going to be potting up in this guy. Alrighty guys, until next time, relax, plant, and peace out. Oh, look at the dirt. Oh. I really like plants and I like repotting, but really the dirt under the nails drives me insane. Alright guys, so if you guys like planty videos and stuff like that, hit the subscribe button and come hang out. It's a really chilled, relaxed corner of YouTube where we just hang out and talk about plants. There's never any drama, and that's how we like to keep it. Alright guys, see you later.